CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include halogen headlamps, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, USB audio interface, rear heated seats. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, backup camera, heated seats, cruise control, multifunction display. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.